Question 41 from the Geometry Ohio 2019 release questions. A company wants to design a cylindrical object, we'll just say it's a cylinder, that has a height of 10 centimeters and a volume of at least 200, but not more than 2,500 cubic centimeters. What is the possible radius of the cylinder? Round your answer to the nearest hundredth. You can certainly use guess and check, throw a number in, see if it works, continue. Let's start out with the volume of a cylinder. Volume of any right prism is the area of the base times the height. Well, the base is a circle, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. So here's what we know. We don't know what the radius is. We do know the height is 10. And we want this number here to be between 2,000 and 2,500. Lots of different ways you can do this. You can make two different equations and solve for the radiuses. You can just make one compound inequality. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to divide the left, middle, and right by 10 and get 200 less than or equal to pi r squared less than or equal to 250. Then I'm going to divide both the left, the middle, and the right by pi. That's going to give me 200 over pi less than or equal to r squared less than or equal to 250 times pi. And then to get r by itself, I'm going to square root the left, the middle, and the right. That's going to give me that this radius has to be at least the square root of 200 over pi, but no more than the square root of 200, 500 divided by pi. I know there should be some pluses or minuses in here because we square rooted, but we're talking about a positive radius, so we don't need a plus or minus. Let me just throw this into my calculator, see if I get answers that seem reasonable. So this one is 7.979, and then this other one was 250 divided by pi, and then square root that. That would be 8.921. Having done all this, what is a possible radius? That means that there's an infinite number of correct answers. We just need to choose a number that's between 7.979 and 8.921. So I'm just going to throw up something that I know is clearly between that and 8.5er, and that's one possible answer. This problem is not simple, but if you know the formula for a cylinder, you could probably guess and check your way through this much faster than the way that I just did it.